Alright guys, Cardi and Cardi again guys. This time it's a PRV SQ3500X. Yes guys, so yeah. 3500 watt RMS to 1 ohm. Made in Brazil. Okay guys, so this time the problem I have with this one guys. Normally these they have a lot of different lights here. This one come on with the orange light. So you think it's clip light. No, sometimes it come on with orange light because I get this. It tricked me a lot of time, you know. Instead of red, I thought it would be red or something. But if it burn real bad, it would be red. But if it's orange, that means that something is still wrong. And sometimes it's okay when you see the orange light, but something is still wrong with somewhere inside. So let me go ahead, guys, and show you what's going on here. So I have a meter here, guys, and I check all the outputs. Reading good. Reading good. Let me hold on. Let me put this right up here, guys. Let me put this up here for you guys to see a little of what I'm doing there. All right. Yeah, that's good. Output. Yes. That's output. All right, guys. So look on this side now. Output. Output. That's the output. Same way, yeah. Output. All right, guys. On this side, guys, this is the negative side, guys. All right. So you have some diodes right here. You have some right over here, this side here. Yes, and you have some on this side. So watch what's going on here now, guys. Diode. It's a diode, guys. All right. Watch what's going on here. Diode. Nothing. So guys, a lot of time you think you should shout out, but they would they won't. So that's the thing. I got a lot of these a lot of time. Back when I used to do Amplifier in Jamaica. This is the first time I saw one here where it read like that. And this is the U2G. And it's the on brand. So it's the on M14 U2G. So the same UD can work, guys. So yeah. So definitely, guys, I'm gonna have to replace this one just to show you, you know, what's going on. But yeah, I think it's the only one because I test the other one back here and this one, and just to show you guys, yes, that one is reading like that, and I was like, wow, wow. So there's nothing going through that diode. That diode is just blown like a fuse. There's nothing. Man, that's kind of crazy. U2G. All right, guys, let me see if I find one here. All right, guys, back again. So let me get this one out and put this one in. Guys, whew, whew. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me get this U. Come on. Ooh-wee. Whew. All right, so yes, guys, and the circuit is marked with a K cathode and with a A anode, but it should be C. I don't know why they put that there. Brazil, yeah, they don't get it. Poor Brazil. All right, guys, so let me get everything right here. Come on, to mix up the damn thing. Some the hell am mixing up with for? Come on, you go here. You piece of no good nothing. Come on. So this one is kind of what? This one is a higher wattage. Why the hell it can't go into place? Come on. All right, guys. Let's see. All right. All right. I am. So guys, yes, I have a lot of them, a bunch. They're coming something like this. So yeah. Let me check something again here. All right. Okay, then. Let me make sure I line up good with the other one. Yeah, seems to be good, guys. So let me. All right, guys. Let me see what's going on here. All right, normally it should be either whatever light come here. I think it's orange. Normally come here. But first, let me connect this just to let you see what's going on, guys. If it plays or not. Because honestly, guys, I check around already, so you know that's why I'll be able to do this right now for you guys to see. I have a bunch of these amplifier to fix, guys, so I'm making the video while I go because I finished 3 of them and I get 5 out. And this is gonna make 3, guys. So I'm on a roll right now. So get these done. Alright, damn, come on, something. Alright, what the heck? Jesus, this thing just only key does, man. Like you don't wanna stay right in that hole. Wow. Alright, turn this down. Alright, guys, let me see here now. See what light comes on here. Alright, it comes blue, then it comes orange. Well, normally when it does that, guys, there's no signal going to it. So let me see here. Alright, guys, so sure you could hear that. Turn this up, guys. Now what do you? Alright, guys, so that is all I'm gonna give you for now. So when it start playing, guys, with that signal, it's gonna show blue light right here. So just to show you, it's up and running. Wow, that's it for this one, guys. Yeah, just to show you guys, yeah. These amplifiers like that, guys. So please like, subscribe, like what you see, and my thumbs up, guys. And the output that this uses, guys, is the PRV 4227, guys. And you know the power supply MOSFET already, guys. It's this one. I think it's hold on. Let me tell you the power supply MOSFET, guys. If I'm not wrong here, don't want to tell any lies. Is the okay? Power supply MOSFET is the IRFP 4004. All right, guys. Please like, subscribe, like what I say. See you on the next one. Enough respect.